everyone, today we're gonna see how to use Wells Fargo Digital Wallet. Open your Digital Wallet app, then tap Add Card or Plus to begin. Select credit or debit card, then follow the prompts. Enter your Bank of America credit card manually or use your phone's camera to scan the card. Complete any necessary verification steps such as entering one-time code. Look for your Digital Wallet's logo at online checkout or in your favorite apps. Some popular retailers and apps that accept digital wallets include Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Uber, or Target. When you're ready to buy, select your digital wallet as the payment option and log in using your Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode. Confirm the payment, and your Bank of America card is now ready to use with your digital wallet. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.